In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom resolution in any Steam game. Whether you're looking to optimize your gaming experience or simply prefer a different screen setup, adjusting your game's resolution can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Steam app open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install it from Steam's official website. Once you've launched the app, it's time to log in. Click on the login button situated at the top right of the interface. Now here's a step that demands a bit of attention. Type in your account name and password. Make sure your details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've double checked everything, hit sign in to access your account. With your account open, you'll land on the Steam homepage. Here, you'll find several navigation options, but what you're after is the library. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your installed games are listed. Now find the game for which you want to set a custom resolution. Once you've located your game, right click on it to bring up a menu and choose properties from the list. Within the game's properties you'll see several options, but our focus today is on the General tab. Click on the General tab and keep an eye out for Launch Options. This is where all the magic happens. You might notice a field labelled Launch Options. This is specifically for advanced users. In this field you are going to type in a command to set a custom resolution. Now let's input the resolution details. You will need to type the following: .w followed by the width you desire and h followed by the height. For instance, if you want a resolution of 1920 by 1080, you'd enter W 1920 H 1080. Ensure that there's a space between the commands, as it is crucial for them to be recognized correctly. Don't worry if you're unsure of which resolution to choose. It's often a matter of personal preference and what suits your monitor best. Try different resolutions to see what works for you. Once you've entered your desired resolution, close the properties window. Your changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to look for a save button. And there you have it. You've successfully set a custom resolution for your Steam game. Take a moment to launch the game and check if it displays at the resolution you specified. If everything looks good, you're ready to enjoy your enhanced gaming experience. Remember, you can always repeat these steps and adjust the resolution further if needed. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.